Yo people, wagwan, welcome back to Run's Tech Hub, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Tailscale on your HexOS server so you can access your files from anywhere in the entire world. Let's go. Step 1, you need to go to Google and type Tailscale. It's going to be the very first website that comes up, and from here you're going to need to go over and create an account if you don't already have one. It's completely free to make an account, and it's completely free to use it depending on how many devices you plan to add on. At the moment I only have like 4 devices and it's still completely free for me. So the way you would expect this to work is you go to your HexOS dashboard, you go down to where it says apps, and I'm going to type in Tailscale, Tailscale. It is going to come up. You can click on it, and you can also click on where it says install over here, but it does give you a warning message saying that this app is not currently curated by HexOS and must be installed and configured from the TrueNAS UI. So I'm going to try to click install. It's not going to work, but it's going to tell me straight away I need to go to TrueNAS. I'm going to type in my IP address on a new tab, so 192.168.0.188. I'm going to press enter. It's going to take me to TrueNAS, enter my login details for TrueNAS, click login. On your Tailscale account, you're going to need to click on where it says settings here. Go down to where it says keys, click on keys, and from here, you're going to generate an auth key. This is going to allow you to install Tailscale and simply copy that auth key in. That will speak to the Tailscale servers and log you straight in, so you don't need to go type in usernames and passwords. This is especially useful if you're trying to do this all by SSH and if you're trying to run a headless setup. I'm going to click generate auth key. For description, I'm simply going to call it HexOS NAS. I'm going to leave reusable unticked so that I cannot use the same key for multiple devices. I'm going to click on generate key. I'm going to copy this key here. This is the most important thing. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to click done. Then I'm going to go back to my TrueNAS dashboard. From my TrueNAS dashboard, I'm going to go down to where it says apps. I'm going to go to top right hand corner where it says discover apps. Then I'm going to simply search for Tailscale, Tailscale. And please do keep in mind, if you do find an app that doesn't work directly in HexOS, this is a really good way to go ahead and install it yourself manually. I'm going to click on the app. I'm going to click on install as well. Click on confirm, click on agree. I'm going to leave application name the same. Version, you can't really change it. Time zone, I changed to Greenwich because I'm in the UK. The host name, I changed it from TrueNAS scale to HexOS NAS. And the auth key, this is where I'm going to paste the thing I copied just now from Tailscale. So this is the auth key I generated. I'm going to paste it in here, leave everything else exactly the same. Nothing else needs to be changed. Scroll all the way down. I'm going to click install. Let's wait for this to finish installing. I'm going to go check if everything is working okay by going back to HexOS, going back to apps, clicking on installed apps, and I can see image and Tailscale running. I went back to my Tailscale login, and at the very top left you see machines. Click on machines, and down here, as you can see this thing here, this is the HexOS NAS that's up and running. Everything is connected. I have a specific IP address here as well, so I'm going to try connecting to that IP address from my mobile phone with my Wi-Fi completely off. So I'm back on my mobile phone now. My Wi-Fi is on, but I'm going to test if everything is working okay first. So I'm going to go to my file manager, go to where it says remote, go to my 192.168.0.188. I'm going to click on that and go into it, go to HexOS, and I can see all my files okay. I'm going to try and play this one here just to make sure everything loads all right. Yep, everything loads okay. So what I'm going to do now is completely exit this, swipe everything off. I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi off, turn on my Tailscale VPN on my phone, then connect to it as if I'm anywhere else in the world. And again, this will work if you're outside of your house, on your mobile network, outside of your house using someone else's Wi-Fi. So I'm going to swipe down, turn my Wi-Fi off. I'm going to go to the Tailscale VPN on my phone. So I'm going to simply type TAIL. These are all my devices under my Tailscale account at the moment. So let me close this. I'm going to go back to File Manager again. I'm going to go back to remote. Please keep in mind you cannot access your local server when the VPN is on. You must enter the new IP address. So I'm going to click on where it says add a remote location. I'm going to click on SMB again, and here I'm going to type in the IP address that's on Tailscale web UI or in the Tailscale app, and for me that's going to be 100.69.89.58. And the username and password I'm going to type in for this is not my admin username and password. This is going to be the username which I created in the HexOS web UI. So for me, this was NADO, and I'm going to type in my password as well. Once that's all done, I'm going to click on OK. And here I am. I'm going to go to HexOS. And again, this is all across the VPN. This is not using Wi-Fi. If you look at the top right hand corner of my screen, you can see my 5G signal. I'm going to try playing that Hisense video there, the very last one on the list. If I click on it, it should start streaming. It might be very slow. There we go. That's the video playing again over 5G using my VPN connected to my HexOS server. What I'm going to try and do now is copy that very last file. So I'm going to long press on it. I'm going to copy it from my NAS to my mobile phone. Click on home, go to downloads, and I'm going to paste it here. Now, please do keep in mind the speeds here are very, very slow because this is a VPN. That's number one. And number two, this is using a mobile connection. Even though it says 5G, the signal is not the best. And I'm in a part of the UK where the signal is just rubbish in general. The installation was quick. It was simple because even though it didn't work directly inside HexOS, it carried you straight to TrueNAS, allowed you to install it in TrueNAS, but you could still pull the information through in HexOS, which is quite useful still because you have that nice simple dashboard. And why might you want a VPN? Why might you want to use Tailscale? Why might you want to remote in? If you're using the app like Image, for example, you wouldn't have to use Google Drive anymore. You wouldn't have to use OneDrive anymore. You could have your files on your server in your house, the secure VPN from your mobile phone directly back to your house without having to use anyone else's storage servers. And if like me, you have loads of hard drives laying around, this might be really worth it because when I'm out and about filming, for example, it's really useful for me to be able to send images, for example, back to my network. It's really useful for me to be able to simply come into my house, back up everything I filmed on that day on my mobile phone, send straight to my NAS. So when I'm editing, I can pull it directly from the NAS. But I think most people using this will be using it for accessing documents, photos, just back up remotely. And again, because it's a VPN, everything is encrypted, everything is really secure. That was how you install a VPN on HexOS through TrueNAS, log in, set it up, and access your network from anywhere in the entire world. In any case, thank you for watching, like and subscribe. More stuff incoming.